After testing positive for COVID-19, Ron Johnson says he's still against mask mandates after testing positive for COVID-19. U.S.Sen. Ron Johnson said his view on mask mandates hasn't changed, as Wisconsin Republican leaders have voiced their support for striking down the state's order requiring face coverings be worn. The Oshkosh Republican, who announced Saturday morning he had tested positive for the virus the previous day, instead touted individual responsibility, saying while he believes masks can help mitigate the risk, they're certainly not a cure-all. Johnson, who is at least the third Republican U.S. senator to have contracted the coronavirus recently, said he was tested on his way to the Ozaukee County Republican Party Oktoberfest dinner in Mequon on Friday night, though he didn't get the results back till later on. In between, he still attended the event, saying he wore his mask until he spoke and stayed at least 12 feet from anybody as he was speaking. He said he quickly left the dinner after his remarks. Asked whether he was told to self-quarantine after getting tested and while awaiting results, Johnson said there was no reason to do so. "I'm not sick," he said. "I have no symptoms. I certainly didn't anticipate testing positive, so there was no reason to quarantine." The Federal Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends those who are tested should isolate at home pending results, as well as follow the advice of one's healthcare provider. After getting his positive result, which he said happened later in the evening after he left the event, Johnson's office said he's planning to remain in isolation now until he's cleared by his doctor. The latest news comes after a tumultuous week in which President Donald Trump, who had planned 2 campaign rallies in Wisconsin this weekend, tested positive for COVID-19 and was hospitalized. But at the state level, top Republicans who control the legislature filed a motion backing a lawsuit that aims to get rid of Democratic Gov. Tony Evers' statewide mask mandate, which expires November 21.